Hello everyone and welcome back to the Marketing Empress. I am back with the learnings from another book, and this time the book is The Airbnb Way. Now, if you have been someone like me who's always been intrigued with the kind of success that the startup Airbnb actually encountered, then this video is just perfect for you. Make sure you watch the video right till the end because we will be covering the 5 values that are responsible for driving the success of this brand, and I'll also be covering certain learnings which I've learned from reading this book. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, when I started reading or learning about digital marketing, the first case study that I came across was that of Airbnb. Now, this case study was more so focused on their success or their marketing on Instagram. Airbnb had come up with this entire campaign on Instagram that focused on experiences, which was very consumer driven and had an instant connection with their target audiences. So after reading that case study, the first thought that came to my mind was that how did this brand end up becoming such a huge success? So when I came across this particular book, The Airbnb Way, I knew I had to give it a read because I'm so interested in knowing what worked in this brand's favor. So let's delve in deeper to understand what worked in this brand's favor through the top 5 values that worked for driving their success. But before we get to those top 5 values, let's get a basic understanding of the history of Airbnb, how the brand actually started.
Let's start with the history of Airbnb.
Back in 2007, the initial founders, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, were finding it really difficult to get some extra cash on board. They were traveling and they found it really difficult to find a hotel during the Industrial Design Conference. During that time, an idea struck. They bought some airbeds. Now, the entire idea revolved around having airbeds and breakfast provided to the travelers at the cost of just $80 a night. But of course, just the idea did not really help. They initially had to struggle to get some traction in. The biggest hindrance was that of funding. So they had to resort to numerous ways. They also went around selling cereals around Obama's election campaign to just get some funding going their way. They managed to get a whopping $30,000 funding initially, and they soon moved from the space of shared spaces to all accommodation types. Over the years, they managed to have over 2,500 listings and 10,000 plus accommodations on their website or app. And the rest, of course, is history. So now that we know how the brand came into existence and what was the history behind it, let's get into the top 5 values that today drive the success of Airbnb.
Number 1. Belonging. Airbnb wants their customers to feel at home wherever they are.
The whole premise of the brand is dependent on the fact that they want their guests to get the homely feel. Okay, so even if you're staying away from your home, you're living in someone else's home, right? Which is going to give you that belongingness, that homely feel, which is much needed while you're traveling. So the founders were very adamant about the fact that they wanted to get the best possible feedback from their guests. They wanted to know and hear or listen to the feedback coming in from their guests, just so that they can improve on their offerings and offer things which people look out for when they are traveling. The book mentions something that the brand truly stands by: the fact that you need to start from the why of your consumers. More often than not, a lot of brands start with the why from a brand's perspective. Why should a brand be doing this? Whereas the question should be more around why does the consumer need this? The mission of Airbnb, which is belong anywhere, actually came up from an experiment that the brand or the founders decided to conduct. They got in their employees, they got in people working for Airbnb or who were related to Airbnb to give reasons as to why Airbnb exists or the reasons for Airbnb's existence. And that led to the founding of the mission Belong Anywhere.
Number 2. Trust. Airbnb wants to get rid of the notion that strangers can be scary. Instead, they wish to bring in the feeling of trust.
Now, this obviously has to be very important. The service that Airbnb provides works around you giving a space of your house to a complete stranger. So, one of the most important things that you will need to ensure is the kind of trust that comes with it. So, Airbnb had a big task to ensure that their brand works with respect to gaining the trust of their consumers. And the brand does this in mainly 3 ways. These are: first, ensuring the trust is gained between the host as well as the customer who is opting for this particular service. Second, ensuring that all the content that gets posted on the website is true to its nature. There are no fake photos uploaded, no fake amount being uploaded or something like that, wherein you see a particular amount on the website and when you're actually charged for the services, it's something different. So this is something that they focused on. And lastly, they had to have a very strong customer support to ensure that if a particular guest faces any problem during their stay, Airbnb acts as a middleman to ensure that they do not have any further problems.
Number 3. Hospitality. Airbnb believes their hosts to offer warmth and compassion in the form of hospitality.
Important to remember that when the brand actually started, or when the founders actually came up with the concept of Airbnb, they were not aware of what good hospitality comprises of. But they learned things over the course of time. And that's very important to note. Because what they realized is that when you're making someone stay at a particular house of people already living there, families already living there, there is obviously going to be a situation wherein hospitality comes in some natural form already. You're inviting someone to come over and stay at your house. There is some natural hospitality that already comes in. But they also included the concept of host ratings. These were based on how quick the host responded to various questions which were asked on their property, etc. And depending on the service being provided by the host, they were giving a specific rating. Now, this rating was very useful because it also helped in ranking their listings further up in the website and the app.
Number 4. Empowerment. Airbnb believes in enriching technology to better the customer experience.
Now, Airbnb founders were of the opinion that technology alone cannot save Airbnb in the long run. Instead, what they wanted to do is use technology to benefit consumer experiences. What they ended up doing is that they ensured that the listings were available for hosts to put in without any charge. And the hosts could also take up 95 to 97% of the total amount being paid by the guest who wants to stay at their houses. So that way there is a lot of transparency provided, and the hosts are more inclined towards offering more spaces around. Now, another cool thing that the app provides is that they give you access to a smart pricing tool. This helps you in determining the actual price that you can put in for your particular listing, keeping in mind various parameters.
And lastly, number 5, community. Airbnb fosters a sense of community as to promote the services to others.
Now, more often than not, when a brand reaches a particular height, they are so engrossed in their profits and ensuring that they stick up to their profits or increase the profits in the long run, that they forget to talk about causes or philanthropic changes that they can bring into the society. Airbnb, however, did their best that they could. They came up with this campaign of Giving Pledge, which is taking into account rich families who can contribute to philanthropic causes. And this really helped the brand grow because it created a community among Airbnb users and ensured that they are giving something back to the society. These are the 5 points that have helped the success of Airbnb. And while I was reading this book, I had my own set of learnings too. So now in the next part of the video, I'll be talking a little about the learnings that I could gain from reading this book.
First, failure is step 1 towards greater success.
Now, when Airbnb started off, they did not have everything working in their favor. They did not have the kind of funding required for this to blow up. But they did not give up. They decided to look at it from different angles to ensure what would work in their favor, and hence managed to take the brand to such an extent, and get such great success.
Next, the journey of success does not have a fixed start and an end date.
This was so very important in the case of Airbnb. Well, they started off a little roughly. They managed to get the ride on a smooth road, and then they managed to get a lot of success. But as a matter of fact, what's noteworthy is that they did not stop. They did not think that this is all that the brand can offer, this is all that the website can offer. They were constantly evolving. They were taking customer feedback into the picture, ensuring that whatever the customers demanded was considered. They also ensured that they could come up with various ways in which the app can be used in the future for multiple reasons.
Lastly, everything has to revolve around customers, not your brand.
Now, this was one of my biggest learnings, starting with the why. Why do your customer needs an app like an Airbnb? What are the customer needs? Am I fitting into the customer needs as a brand, or should I be making any changes required from that point of view? That's something that a brand constantly needs to be in the lookout for. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something out of it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, and I would love to learn or hear from your stories as well. Ensure you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel so that you get notified the next time I come up with my learnings on another book around marketing or business in general. So until next time, bye bye.